Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen today giving you your favorite recipe drink, and today we got good news. We want to simply say to you that guys, you can give it a try at home. Or beetroot is good for your cancer and also good for blood circulation and good for your heart and do fight against a lot of stuff in your system. There's a lot of benefit from beetroot, and you can do the research for your own self, guys, to see, you know what I mean, we need to just go back natural. That's what we need to do, guys, because there's a lot of benefit in so many natural stuff which we are trying to avoid. But today we got good news that to make you guys know that beetroot do help fight against cancer, and it's good for so many different things in your system, and it have a lot of benefit. A lot of people use beetroot in different stuff, and today we got good news also. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. The full recipe on my YouTube channel, as I can see. Leave your comments and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and my Google Plus page. Chef Ricardo cooking all the way through. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a beetroot drink at home. When I do the research, I recognize that beetroot is really good for cancer and also good for blood circulation. So today I'm gonna just make a drink from it, guys, and honestly you can make the same drink at home, and it is just really amazing to make it at home. Alright, lovely. So basically I'm gonna get half a glass of water. That's one of the main thing. Lovely. So right here I have one beetroot. This is how the beetroot look like. It's a large one. It was 2 beetroot, and then what I did, I peel one and remove the skin and cut it up very small. I'm gonna pop it straight inside of my smoothie blender like that. So that's one medium-sized beetroot. Remove the skin from the beetroot. Few pieces of ice. Half of a lemon, lime, or if you have lemon, whatever you have, you can use, guys. Straight inside of it to get the flavor from it. And then honey for sweetness. You don't have to put honey. Teaspoon of honey. Then we're gonna put piece of a ginger and remove the skin from the ginger. Just like this, piece of a ginger, straight inside of it, half a glass of water. So basically, as I said before, the beetroot, when I did the research, is good for cancer, and I would encourage a lot of people, you know what I mean, do try some beetroot at home. Drink some beetroot. It's good for you, good for blood circulation, and also good for losing weight, and is really healthy for you to use at home, guys. Really nice. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Just finished blending it, and basically, honestly, let's remove it and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this, beautiful, all the fiber inside of it. Really nice. Exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Healthy recipe, and basically this recipe is just good for blood, and it's good for cancer, and also a lot more stuff on this, a lot of benefit from beetroot, guys. A lot of people don't like to drink beetroot, but I'm telling you, you should drink beetroot because it's just good for you, especially when you're at home. So guys, hopefully you'll enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. And this recipe is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and you can do your own research on how you can use beetroot at home. As I said, beetroot is good for cancer and also good for blood circulation, and it do have a lot else benefit from it, guys. So give it a try, give it a go. The best time to have this beetroot drink is in the morning before breakfast, and in the evening or during the day. You can have it before you eat that heavy meal. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. And this is Chef Ricardo on the team. Bye bye.